So you finally did it. You didn't click the next video. You got up. You're here. You want to start. But now you're staring at your life like, okay, what do I actually do now? This is day one. And most people mess this part up. The mistake? They try to fix everything at once. New routine, new habits, clean diet, wake up at 5 a.m., meditate, journal, cold shower, 100 push-ups, and by day 3, it's over. Day 1 shouldn't feel like a revolution. It should feel like a reintroduction to yourself. You're not trying to win today. You're trying to show up today. That's the win. Here's what I want you to do. Forget the 30-day plan. Forget being productive. Just ask this. What is one small thing I can finish today that nudges me in the right direction? That's it. One small win. Doesn't even have to be impressive. Just has to be done. Examples? Clean your room for 5 minutes. Go for a walk without your phone. Write down 3 things that feel heavy. Drink a full glass of water. Send that one email you've been avoiding. Do 1 push-up. And here's why this matters. When you finish something, even small, your brain says, "Oh, we're doing this now." It builds momentum. And momentum, motivation. Want a simple day 1 formula? Here, step 1. Move your body. Doesn't matter how, just get your blood flowing. Step 2. Write 1 sentence, something honest. I feel stuck, or I'm tired of my own excuses. Step 3. Pick 1 5-minute task and do it without distraction. Step 4. Celebrate that you did it. That's it. That's your first day. It's not about going viral. It's not about becoming the best version of anything. It's about earning back a little self-respect. One small, non-negotiable act at a time. Here's your challenge. Pick your day 1 task. Do it. Then come back here and comment what it was. Doesn't matter how small. What matters is you followed through. That's the difference between wishing and changing. Welcome to day 1.